Hello guys, welcome to Avina Solutions. So today we are doing session about the continuation of map collection. So yesterday we are discussion about the map collection of a fine discussion about the only introduction about the map collection. But today we have to go some practical sessions and how can we manipulate the data in the map collection, and how can we clone the data, and how can we fetch the data. These type of operations we can do different types of data, key and value pair. For yesterday we have only in the in the yesterday we have only do the some data manipulation and map that string some type of data, some sort of data, leave about that. But today we have do some data manipulations in the data map collections in various data. It is an map of string and string key value pair, and a string and the integer key value pair, and a string and any subject key value pair. It can be anything. So we can do some other important concepts of them, and some other methods which are involved in the map collections. So today we have to discuss about that. So for that, let me open my arc. So this is my Salesforce arc. So these are the some predefined methods which are already defined by the Salesforce for the map collections. What are they? So map put, it is a method which which is used to insert the some values into the map collections. So get is the for getting some data from the map, already stored data. If I already stored some data into map collection, if I want to see the data, if I want to fetch data from the already stored data from the map collection, I use the simply get method. So similarly, there is a contains method, and similarly there is a key set method, and similarly there is a values method, and similarly there is a clone and is empty and remove and record list. There are some more methods are there. So let us without any delay, let's get started. So before I going to map collection, I will give one clarity. What is the difference between the class and object? How to identify the class and object? So if any letter is started with small letter, first letter of the any word is can be small, it can be as a method, or else it's a camel or Pascal case. If any letter is started with the capital letter, it can be treated as class. So literally, how can we differentiate method and class if any letter is started with? So for example, if I take put method, it can be started with the p, small p. So definitely it can be a method. So for example, if I go to the contains key, so the first letter of the this word get started with the small letter, so small c. So it definitely a method. So key set also k is a small. So definitely s is a capital. So this in this way we can differentiate the difference. How can we identify the class and object? So without any delay, let's do some examples on map collection. So now I am instance on create one instance on map collection. So it is a string. Okay, okay, in integer and the string, map of 1, and then new map of integer and then string. So for example, generally I already told that. So map is a key value pair. So keys cannot be duplicated. So values can be duplicated. Values can be duplicated. So keys cannot be duplicated, but values can be duplicated. It's like a, for example, roll number. In our school days or in our college days, we have a registered call. Whenever roll number 1 is called, the suddenly the roll number the student who are associated with that roll number can get attendance, when he responded to the attendance. So same wise, so one is the roll number which is student number 1. So in that way this map collection is used. So for inserting data, I'm using the I'm using the put method. So map reference, this is the reference variable. So map one dot put for keys. For keys, I am using the data type integer. For definitely 1, it is a integer data types. For values, I will give a data type called string data type. So it would be in between single quotes. So LH. So and then I will insert 2 more students. Put to other in between single quotes. I already told that. Other map of. So instead of using map, it's a keyword. We are using the map reference variable map1. Map1 put 3 Ganesh, and then I'm giving 2 more. I'm inserting 2 more records into the map collection. So map2 dot map1 dot put Mahesh in between single quotes. Map1 dot put 5 dot 5 dot I do something like that. So I'm inserting the 2 records. So one roll number is associated with the LH, and second roll number is associated with the Kadar, and third roll number is associated with the Ganesh, and fourth roll number is associated with the Mahesh, and as usual fifth roll number is associated with the Raidu. So I am inserting these 5 records into the map collection. So this time I will use can I okay. So I already told that the map is a key value pair. Sorry, key value pair. So keys are not duplicated, values can be duplicated. For this time I will get so system dot one record, system dot debug map collection map one dot get dot. So I'm using the key. This time. Be careful. I'm instead of using value, I'm using the for getting the values. We are supposed to use only key values. For that, I'm putting the 1 as a key. So this time, can you please anyone guess the output of this system.debug console? So absolutely, it's LH. Let me see. Let me execute. What will happen? So for getting, I am already inserting the 5 records into the map collection. Now I stored all these 5 records. After that, I will get the first record who having the roll number of 1. So I want to find out the who is the person. That person is associated with the roll number 1. So for that I'm giving the key as 1. If I want to fifth roll number, if I put the fifth number, fifth key value. So without any delay, let me execute. So debug only, and then open anonymous window. So let me drag this page up. So let it be consumed. So for 3 character space, I will give /t. So let me execute one more time. It will be clubbed together, both string and data. Yeah. So map collection RIDE. So fifth on the roll number on the fifth key value, the fifth key value is associated with the RIDE. That's why it gets the RIDE. So and then this time I'm using the yeah. So this is the get method gets the generally values. So then after that, okay, after that I already told that key values are not duplicated, but values are duplicated. For storing the keys, generally keys is supporting the like it's like a set collection. Set also does not allow any duplicates. Likewise, in the map collection also, keys does not allow duplicates. For if I want to suppose if the scenario comes into exist into picture, like what the scenario is, if I want to uh, store some keys, if I want to I have some keys in the map collection, so those keys will be stored in the some set collection. How can we do that? Generally, just create set. What is the data type of the key? Here it is integer. So then we take integer set 1 equal to new set. Okay, instead of using map dot yeah, map 1 dot key set for getting the keys only in the map. Let me execute. Okay, system dot print one more debug log, debug console. It is a set. It is a set values are copied from the map collection. So what the reference variable set 1. Let me execute. What will happen? Yeah, let me open my anonymous window. Before that, I will debug only. So here we are getting output as system.debug. It is a set values. Let me drag this window so it will be more clearful. So literally what I'm doing is I am copied the all the key values to the set. If I so it's already told that key values can be it's like a set. It's like a set collection. So literally map is a can be treated as set and list. Yeah, literally map is a set and list. Okay, so literally I'm what I'm done here is I will literally copy the values keys which are from the map collection to the set collection. So if I want to store some, so store the values in the if I want to store these values into the set, it allows. But if there is any duplicates, instead of for example if I give one more map dot, sorry, map1 dot put. I'm duplicating the this time sixth record with same key value. What is the record name? Alish. So if you observe, the record 1 value and the record 6th value is same, but the key is different. So but the key is different. So let me execute what happened. For example, if I want to store these key values into the set, what will happen? Instead of storing these instead of storing these six records values, it stores only 5 records only. Why? Because LH and LH is the same values. It can be treated as single record in the set. Why? Set does not allow the duplicates. So string data type. So literally values is a string data types. Then string set to equal to new map of. First, copying the values from the map collection, we use the method called values. Yeah. Let me see what happened. System dot debug the values. Sir, the values from the map collection are copied to set collection. Let me give 3 character space and then set it to display. Let me execute. Okay, line number 19. What will happen? Okay, I forget to please. Static method cannot be referenced in the static constant. Map dot no static method cannot be referenced from the static constant. Column number 23. Map fund dot illegal assignment list of string to set of string. So what it shows. So we are assigning the illegal assignment. So instead of storing the values into the set, we just store the from the list collection. So here the values can be either the size of the list can be 6. Why? Because it can allows the duplicates. Let me execute. Yeah. So I think everything is fine. So if I want to so right now we are copied the list of a set of keys from the map collection to the set collection, and I will copy the values from the map collection to the list collection. So I will work on put and get method and contains key. Contains key is a method which returns the boolean type. So boolean, for catching the boolean, I will create one variable called boolean. It's a asset to toggle. So map of 1 dot contains key. So we have right now we have how many keys? 6 keys. Among those 6 keys, I will give third key. So it can return the value called true. Why? Because 3 is a key which is already in the map collection. That's why it returns the true as a boolean expression. That boolean expression will be stored in the toggle variable. So this time I will print the toggle variable system dot debug the contains key method returns so t what we call toggle. So the key is the 3 keys already in the map collection, so it will be written definitely true. Let me see what happen. Execute, check debug only. Yeah, it returns true. If I let me open, if I place the key as 7, right now there is no 7 key in the map collection. So what is the output? It definitely returns the false. That will be saved in the toggle and that will be printed in the this debug console. Let me execute once more. So let me open. Yeah, false definitely. So right now we are dealing with the what is the different methods. Right now we are dealing with the yeah get we are using the key, put method and get method and contains key set and values clone. So what is the clone? So cloning means copy the exact map collection to the another map collection. So I am copy this exact map instance for map 2 dot map 1 reference variable, this reference variable. So map 1 reference variable dot clone method. So map 1 is a reference variable which indicates that the map collection of integer and string as a key value pair. That for cloning also, cloning is nothing but exact copy. So what exact copy? The for catching the whatever delivered by the this map one, that can be exact data can be catched by the another map. So that's why I'm creating the same data type. So key as a integer and string as a and value as a string. So that will be so this time I will create I will print the system dot map to also system dot debug. This is from the map to cloning data, cloned data, cloned data. So let it be simple. Copy map to. So let me execute. Yeah. So one LH and Kadar 2. This is from map 2 is the cloned data. So exact copy we can copy from the map 1. So for checking whether the two maps are equal or not, I'm using the one more method, system dot debug whether checking two collect two maps map to. So what is the method we generally used? Equals method is there. One is the equals method is there. So let me see where it is. Map1 dot equals map2. Let me execute. Yes, true. The both maps are equal. So let me print the size. So if you want to know the what is the size of that map collection, I will print the same map. So the size of map 1 collection is +1 map1 dot for knowing the size of the map. So let me execute and debug only. So the size of the map collection is 6 records. We already told that we have a 6 records. The same size will be written. So everything is fine, seems to be fine. For removing, so it's like a for if you want to remove any element from the map collection, we simply map1 dot remove key. We have to put the key. So if I want to delete the other record, I just put the key as a 2. So what will happen? Let me copy this, copy and paste it here. So the size of the map collection. So instead of map collection 1. This time I only remove the one record from the map collection 1 only. So this is the map collection 1. So this time I am deleting the one record from this map collection. What is this record? The record. So can we after the initially the record the size is 6. So the size of the map collection after removing one record is, so let me execute debug only. So previously the size of the collection the map collection is 6. After the removing one element from the map collection 1, the size of the map collection is updated from 6 to 5. Why? Because we removed the some element from the map collection. So this time we are working with only primitive data type. So primitive data type means we have a date and a date time and a boolean and a blob and day ID and long and integer and a string. These data types can be treated as a primitive data types. So in the upcoming session, we are working with the realistic use of the map collection. So in upcoming session, we are dealing with the only ID dot S object. S object can be any object. So this type of data can be really as trigger dot old map. So trigger dot old map means map of ID comma account. So in the upcoming session we are discussing about this map. So right now I'm summarizing what I have told in this session from the beginning. So map is a simply a collection of map is a simply a data collection of key and value pair. The keys cannot be duplicated, but the values can be duplicated. If we inserted the duplicated keys in the map collection, it will be replaced or it can be updated with the previous previous values. So and also we have a different types of methods. One is put method. For put, generally put method is used to inserting some data into the map collection. After that we have a get method. After inserting some data into the map collection, if I want to fetch any record from the map collection, I simply use the get method. So after that it will return the some data, so whether it was a string, anything. So after that we are using the contains key. Generally contains key is a method which returns the boolean expression as a boolean expression. So for example, if I place the any key in the contains method, so it will check whether the key was not or not is valid or not, valid or invalid. Valid means if the key is already in map collection or not. If the key is already in map collection, it will return the true, or else it will return the false. So that will, so it's simply returns the boolean expression key set. So if I already told that, so set is a map is a collection of set and list collection, set and list. So and the keys can be treated as set and values can be treated as values. So for example, if I want to store the keys from the map collection, I simply copied the I simply used the key set method, and that the keys, whatever the keys which are involved in the map collection are copied from the map collection to the set, and then clone method for exact copying of entire map collection data to the another map collection data. We use the clone method. And after that we have a values method. If we want to separate the values from the map collection, and these values can be copied to the list collection, I instance one list collection and these values from the map collection copied to the list collection. So this can be what is, so here, so values, I simply so separate the values from the map collection, and those separated values can be stored in the list collection. So this is exact what I have done in previously. So this is the method, so which can check the is it empty or not, whether the map collection is empty or not. So if the map collection is empty, it will return the boolean expression. Boolean expression means it true or false conditions. So if I want to remove any values or any key any data from the map collection, I simply use the remove, and you just clear about that, you just pass the only keys. So keys are associated with the values. If you delete the keys, then automatically the values which are associated with the key can be automatically deleted or automatically removed from the map collection. So this is a one type of constructor. I will tell more about this in the upcoming sessions. So this can be considered as a it can be considered as a today some more advanced data types. It's called primitive, it's a complex data types. Why? Because it's a in the values we just use it as subjects. A subject means whether it was account object, whether it was lead object, whether it was opportunity object, whether it was opportunity line items, whether it was price book or anything it is. So in later session we have discussion about this subject types, I mean complex data types. In the later session, in the upcoming session, we are dealing with the map collection with the complex data types. So all thinking about this. So if I want to delete entire map, if I want to delete entire map, if I want to delete entire map data, I simply use the map1.c clear method. Then it will delete all the map, all the data which is stored in the map collection. So let me open the size of the map collection after clear the entire map, clearing the and entire map 1. So let me execute. I think the map size is 0 this time. So map 1 is clear. So map 1 is the problem. The character is invalid character as in identifier. Map of clear is there. Map 1 dot, I think. So simply for this line, due to this line, I think due to this line, it can throw an error. Now this time it can execute it successfully. So the map collection is this time so 0. See, so so it looks like a 10. Why? Because map 1 and plus symbol string concat, it will concatenate the 0 with 1. That's why there is a confusion is there. So let me give 3 spaces, 3 characters. So this time execute. What will happen? The size of the map collection 1 after clearing the entire map 1 is 0. So right now we are discussing some more important methods which are involved in the map collections, but we are done with the only primitive data types in the later upcoming session. So I think it's one more video. We are more clear about the map collection with the complex data types. It's called id comma subjects, like that. So we have to manipulate some data into in the complex data type. Also we are using the same methods which are involved in the map collection. The same data types which can be used in the while we are doing some exercises on map collection with the complex data types. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please comment on comment box. So if you have any doubts, I will ping my mail. Please mail your doubt. And if you want any videos on Salesforce, let me comment, let you free to be asked in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Finally, bye bye.